Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are celebrating December, the last month of the year, with House of Reflections collection by Madame Glam. I cannot get over how darling these holographic glitters and cream polishes are. We have Joy, Enchanted Blue, which you already know has stolen my heart, Inner Light, which is the most stunning gold glitter. We have Tinsel Baby, because a Christmas tree ain't nothing without some tinsel. We have Celestial Green, which is all of the pinecone realness. Christmas Essence, which is all of the crimson red. Mary Berry, and Magic Night. Now, Magic Night stole my heart. If I can with my VIP credits, I need to grab that, snag it before it sells out. But Madame Glam was so kind to send me out 5 colors of my choice from this collection. So let's get into all of that magic. So I think it's truly amazing. For December, they named the collection House of Reflections. With the new year coming and all of the magic of 2024, they have really closed out the year with an amazing collection. First of all, anytime they pair creams with any form of a glitter formula, I lose it. You know me, as soon as my representative reached out, I was like, all of the glitter, oh wait, I gotta rein myself in and get at least one cream. I was so excited. So this is the one cream, and then all you're going to see is all of the glitters. But this Christmas essence, it's giving me all of the mistletoe, the holly berry, that crimson red. It is so beautiful. And actually, in the advent calendar, they gave this very bright red that was like a Santa hat. So I love that I have 2 different reds on the spectrum, which is going to make my plaid and all of that magic heavenly. I'm also going to be showing you later on in the video the difference between this year and last year's collections. So last year they did a reflective glitter, and this year they've done a holographic glitter. So I think it is such an amazing way to close out the year and splash and paint the town with all the glitter and just lead you into 2024 with the most dazzling fingertips. So we've went through the 4 creams and the amazing, amazing glitters, but I did want to read you their write-up. So they say, explore the depths of self-reflection as each shade unveils a facet of your unique energy, inviting you to embrace the extraordinary. As the winter winds and weaves their way through celestial constellations, a dazzling collection emerges from the cosmic atelier of Madame Glam, igniting the spirit of the season. This holiday season, transcend into a world where astrology, tarot, and the power of self-reflection converge in Madame Glam's enchanting December collection. House of Reflections. Step into a realm where every gel polish bottle holds the key to unlocking your inner magic. Inspired by the cosmic dance of the stars, our Perfect Christmas and New Year's Eve collection is a celestial celebration of beauty and self-discovery. With a vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formula, the 8 arrivals will guarantee you on an easy, smooth application, offering a festive palette of 4 rich creams and 4 magical holographic shades that will dazzle and bring the joy of the season right at your fingertips. But the magic doesn't stop here. Our collection invites you to explore the power of self-reflection. These stunning shades aren't just about making a statement. They're about making a connection with your true self. As you gaze into your freshly polished nails, let the reflections be a mirror to your innermost desires and dreams. Oh my gosh, I am so touched by the write-up Madame Glam has given. They've also given some pro tips for this collection. Why settle for ordinary nails this holiday season when you can adorn yourself with the extraordinary? Picture frost-kissed hues that glisten like icicles and deep velvety tones that echo the magic of Christmas. Make it jolly with graphic lines, gradient nails, mix and match styles, and paint your reflections with the new arrivals. Madame Glam, I cannot thank you enough. You have already made my December so special with the Advent calendar. But this collection blows me away. It is absolutely breathtaking, and these holographic glitters are like nothing I have in my collection. I cannot wait to create so much art, and if you guys love this collection, I urge you, run on over to Madame Glam, pick yourself up some of these because they will sell out so fast. I also have an updated code, y'all. It is Raven35. So I've made sure to update the link that you can click so you can save yourself 35% on all of the goodies. And you're going to want it because this collection is insane. So I quickly grabbed Rudolph from last year, and I just wanted to show you the difference between the reflective glitter and the the linear holographic. It literally is like a rainbow of sparkles versus the flash reflective. So this is Aspen Glam from last year versus the brand new Enchanted Blue. So I really love that they stuck with the holiday colors, but they gave it to us in a fresh and different way. So I am so excited to make all of the holiday nail art with these goodies. So make sure you have your notification bell on so that you can see all of the beautiful content I make with this brand new collection. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video.